Hi everybody, it is Math Monday 4-6 and this is lesson 9.4. I zoomed in a little on this so you can't see me as much, not important. Okay, so Monday 9.9, lesson 9.4, what we're working on is something new. We have not done this before. It's called perimeter. Now I hope you watched the Brain Pop video to explain about perimeter with Annie and Moby. They did a really good job with it, but now I'm going to show you just really quickly, so an example of what to do. So on your math journal page with the perimeter, you only have to do numbers 3 to 6, okay? Numbers 3 to 6. And what you're gonna do is you are going to measure. So it'll tell you what it wants you to measure in. This one, it's gonna be centimeters. So I'm gonna take my ruler and I start at 0. Remember, that's the most important thing, is that you start at 0. Don't start at the end because it's going to give you a wrong number. So always start at 0, and I'm going to put it on here, and this side is 6. And then I'm going to come here and I'm going to measure, and this side is 4. It's just past the 3.5, so it's going to be 4. This side is 6. And this side is, let's see, 4 also. Now what I do for perimeter is where you're adding up the whole outside. So if, say you're in a room, you're adding all along the walls, okay? So 6 and 4, oh, those two go really well together. That makes 10. And another 6 and 4 makes another 10. 10 plus 10 is 20. So my perimeter in this case is 20, okay? I hope you understand. And a couple of the problems, you get to pick what you want to measure. So have fun with it. Next, I want to go over the math journal page with you. Oh, let me grab my math journal. And this is page 217. So I put an example here because they gave us a little bit of a hard one with this one. So 2,399. Now, what would be next door? What would be next door to 99? If I were counting 99, 100. So if I'm at 300, now I have to go to 400. So it would be 2,400. Now, when we go down below, we're counting by tens. So one of the things, remember, that you can use is your hundreds chart, and you have a hundreds chart in the back of your math journal if you need it, okay? So I want you to see. Here, let me find 99, okay? Remember, usually 99 is the end, so pretend that last one's not there. 99, and then we go all the way to the top of 9. Also, ignore the top line, ignore the bottom line. What we usually have in class is the 99, and then we hop all the way up to the 9. But now, I'm in the 400s, right? Because we did this. So I'm 2,409. And then next door would be 2,410. All right? Have mom and dad help if you need help with that one. It can be a little hard. All right, then the other one, it wants you to draw a line segment that is 3.5 inches long. So we're just gonna pretend, I don't have my ruler out right now. Pretend that's 3.5 inches. And then it wants you to draw a line segment that is 1 inch shorter, okay? So first measure your 3.5, do your line and go, and then 1 inch shorter than 3.5, okay? Not a 1 inch line, a 1 inch shorter line. So if it's 3.5, what's 1 shorter? 2.5, okay. All right, now we have quantity difference. The Jays scored 63 points, the Gulls scored 46 points. How many more? Remember, those are our clue words to tell us we're comparing, and when we compare, we subtract, okay? So big number, big quantity box, small number, small quantity box, and then you're gonna subtract to find the difference, okay? What is the chance, so number 4, we're headed here. What is the chance that you will fly in a spaceship today? Circle your answer, okay? Fly in a spaceship today. Impossible? No way it can happen. Certain, ooh, it's for sure gonna happen. Likely, probably will happen, or unlikely, probably won't. I could take 2 choices for this one, depending on how you wanna rationalize and answer it for me. If you gave me a good reason, I'd take 2 of them. All right, 9 cars, each has 4 tires. How many tires in all? I'm going to do one over here. So this one says 3 cars, each has 4 tires. So how many cars do I have? 3. How many tires? 4. This is multiplication. And then what is 3 times 4? If you don't know what 3 times 4 is, draw an array. So you'd simply do 3. So you want 3 rows with 4 in each row, okay? So here, 1 row, 2 rows. I need 1 more row, all right? 3 rows with 4 in each row. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. My answer is 12. Some of you don't need to draw the array, some of you do. It's just the way it is, okay? Last one is use penny, nickel, dime, and quarter. You do not get to use $1 for this one, all right? So use penny, nickel, dime, and quarter and show $1.79. All right, so here we go. I don't want to do the 179 because you're going to do it in just a minute, but I'm going to give you an example one. So $1.30. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do my 4 quarters. Since it won't let me use $1, I do my 4 quarters, and then remember how we put a box around it. That means it's the same as $1. All right, 4 quarters, box around it. That's my $1. Now I'm going to do my 30 cents. So I'm going to do 10, 20, 30. Awesome. Hopefully this helps, and I'll see you tomorrow for math.